Unlocking BMW key programming. Everything you need to know about the Autel BMW IMMO G license. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, your ultimate hub for everything related to automobile diagnostics and key programming. Before we jump into today's exciting topic, let me remind you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest updates. And hey, if you find this video helpful, consider showing some love by hitting the super thanks button to support the channel. Now, let's dive into it. Today, we're going to explore the Autel BMW IMMO G license, a must-have feature for anyone working with BMW key programming on Autel devices. If you've been wondering what this license does, how it works, and whether it's the right investment for your automotive toolkit, then stick around because we're breaking it all down. What is the Autel BMW IMMO G license? The Autel BMW G license is a specialized software activation that allows you to add new keys to BMW vehicles equipped with G chassis and later F chassis models. It works exclusively with Autel key programming tools, including the Maxim IM508, IM608, and Otofix IM1 and IM2. However, unlocking its full potential requires additional hardware, either an Autel G-Box, G-Box 2, or G-Box 3 adapter. These adapters are crucial as they enable direct communication with a vehicle's immobilizer system, allowing for a seamless key addition process. One important thing to note is that this license isn't a one-time purchase. Instead, it comes as a one-year subscription, meaning you get 12 months of unlimited access to its powerful key programming functions. This makes it ideal for professional automotive locksmiths and technicians who frequently deal with BMW key programming. Now, let's go over some of the most frequently asked questions about this license, so you know exactly what to expect. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. Q1. Is there a daily limit on how many keys I can add? Yes, there's a limit. The system allows you to use the read anti-theft function or generate an original car key SK up to 5 times per day. This means that while you have unlimited access throughout the year, you are restricted to 5 key programming attempts per day. Q2. What happens if I fail to add a BMW BDC2 key? Can I get a refund? This is a common concern, and here's how it works. If your attempt to read the anti-theft data is unsuccessful or you encounter issues before completing the key programming process, the license remains active and can still be used for another attempt in the future. However, refunds are not explicitly mentioned as part of the policy, so it's best to ensure that your hardware and software are properly configured before proceeding. Q3. Which G-Box adapters are compatible with this license? Great news! Both the G-Box 2 and G-Box 3 adapters are fully compatible with the BMW IMMO G license. Whether you have an older G-Box 2 or the latest G-Box 3, you can use either one to successfully program BMW keys with this subscription. Q4. Do I have a time limit for completing each key programming operation? No, you're not racing against the clock. Within your one-year subscription period, you can take as much time as needed for each programming session. This flexibility allows you to work carefully without feeling rushed, making it ideal for technicians who want to ensure a flawless key addition process. Q5. Can I use an existing remote key to add a new key? No. Unfortunately, you cannot use the original remote key to program an additional key. Instead, you'll need to follow the correct procedures using the authorized Autel software and hardware to generate a new key successfully. Final thoughts. So, there you have it. A complete breakdown of the Autel BMW IMMO G license, its features, and the most common questions users have about it. Whether you're a professional locksmith or an automotive technician looking to enhance your key programming capabilities, this license is a valuable tool for working with BMW G chassis and F chassis models. And before you go, let's do a quick recap. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, drop a comment below, and of course, subscribe so you never miss out on future updates. And if this information helped you out, consider hitting the super thanks button to support the channel. Until next time, happy diagnosing and keep unlocking new possibilities in the world of automotive technology.